Stability ball, dumbbell chest press. You want to choose a ball when you're sitting on it, your hips are above your knees or slightly above your knees. You will be able to see me on my ball when I turn sideways, and you can see my hips are slightly above my knees, so this is a good ball, not too high. But let's continue. So for this exercise, when you roll yourself out, you need to have your head supported on the ball and your upper back, and then you're going to have a bridge up. So here's my head, my upper back, here's my bridge up, squeezing my glutes and my feet are underneath my knees, and then I begin my dumbbell press. I inhale as my arm comes down, and then I exhale as I press. Smell the roses, blow out the candles, my hips stay up, and the dumbbells are always above my heart, never above my neck or my face. And to finish, I just bring them down to the floor, walk myself back. That is the exercise. Enjoy.